All right, quick fill, quick payments. Love it. This is the video to randomize teams for the Gold Rush jersey that we just posted like 20 minutes ago. We will be breaking this, I'm going to say, in about an hour. I am going to post another one, so if you guys want in, I am going to post another one of those same things because we had some guys that missed this one. So we'll check the time. Is January 6th at 5:50 p.m. We're going to go over to the break and type live. We have January 6th at 5:50 p.m. Here's our list of 32 NFL teams. We will randomize this, match this to our entry list, and that determines who gets what teams. We need a dice roll. Dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not enough. That's all right. There's 5. All right, here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There we go. So we'll get this posted. I don't know if we're gonna have really time to trade teams. Maybe 30 minutes or so, but we'll get these posted and we'll break it tonight. Thanks, guys.